Greetings, and welcome to the Saybrook University Online Library. I'm Laurelette Knowles, the Director of Library Services for the university. Do you know what a DOI is? Do you know what a DOI resolver is? To learn about this, start with this page, click Student Gateway, click Go to Library, and then click DOI Resolver. From this screen, you can learn more by clicking on Home. DOI stands for Digital Object Identifier, and this is a code used to identify, uniquely, many electronic materials, including journal articles and book chapters. Information about the material is stored in association with the DOI, and that information might include a location, such as a URL, where the object can be found. The DOI for a piece of information remains fixed over the lifetime of this information, whereas the location of the document and other data related to it may change. Referring to an online document by its DOI provides more stable linking than simply referring to it by its URL, because if its URL changes, the publisher needs only to update the associated data for the DOI to link to the new URL. You can copy and paste an item's DOI into the box that you see here, and you'll be taken to the URL where you can identify and find more information about the item, though not necessarily the item itself. Suppose that you have looked at a document and found a DOI in a citation in a reference list. The American Psychological Association wants DOI information, if it's available, to be included in reference list citations so that readers can verify the identity of the material referred to and perhaps find that material itself. Once you have copied a DOI, you can paste it into this box and search. In this case, you have found this DOI in a citation in a reference list, pasted it into a search box as just shown, and now you've arrived here. The original document, How to Write an Original Research Paper and Get It Published. In this case, you do have the full text of the item. Now suppose that you want to look at similar articles, and you choose How to Write Articles that Get Published. Now you have another DOI. This is the abstract only of this item, so you copy the DOI and paste it into a DOI resolver box. In this case, you'll find yourself on the page for How to Write Articles that Get Published. And here is the DOI that you copied and pasted to find, again in this case, the full text of the article. If you have questions about the DOI, please send them to library@saybrook.edu. That's library at saybrook.edu.